Hi, this is Jason. I'm answering the question 5 from homework 2. So the question is, we try to find the probability of the customer arrives in the grocery store in 0 to t minutes, equal to how many customer, and we get a formula. So basically, question 1, we try to find the lambda. We know that the probability that in 2 minutes there at least one customer. So basically, here at least one customer, which means greater or equal to 1. So basically here the offset of this probability is in the space we just eliminated the 0.3. We get like in 2 minutes there's no customer enter the arrives. So basically, the probability of customer arrives in 0.2 equal to 0 is 1 minus 0.3 equal to 0.7. So here, the t is 2, and the k is equal to the customer number is 0, and we just plug in the formula. So basically, e2 power negative 2 lambda times 2 lambda power to 0 over 0 factorial, which give us e2 power negative 2 lambda equal to 0.7. So basically, after calculation, it's lambda equal to 0.178. So for question 2, question 2 is asking for find the probability that in 3 minutes no customer comes. So basically, the question is like in 3 minutes, so the t is equal to 3, no customer, customer number is 0, so k equal to 0. So basically here we just plugged in since we already know the value of lambda. So basically in 3 minutes, so we get the formula like here, e to power negative 3 lambda times 3 lambda to power 0 over 0 factorial. So which is equal to, so here 2 power 0 is equal to 1, and also here the 0 factorial is equal to 1. So basically which give us e2 power negative 3 lambda, and we already calculate that lambda equal to 0.178. So here it's e2 power negative 3 times 0.178. We get it's 0.586. So in question 3, find the probability that in 10 minutes at least 2 customers will arrive. In this question, we write in this form. In 10 minutes, the number of the customers greater or equal to 2. So which means like the question mentioned, like the first question, at least one customer. So we know like the offset of that is like no customer. So similar here, at least 2 customer, which means the offset of that is it's either like there no customer arrive in 10 minutes or only one customer arrive in 10 minutes. So basically we just use the space minus this 2 situation, and then we get the offset, so which is the answer of the customer greater or equal to 2. So basically here 1 minus, we just singly plug in like the t equal to 10, and for the first part the t equal to 10 and the customer number is 0, and also here the second part the t equal to 10 and the customer number is 1. So basically the first part is negative 10 e to power negative 10 lambda, and 10 lambda to power 0 and over 0 factorial plus, since we add the parentheses, and this is e to power negative 10 lambda and times 10 lambda to power 1 and over 1 to 1 factorial. Should be, yeah, 1 factorial. And then we got the final value is 0.531. Okay, for the last question, find the probability that in 1 minute exactly one customer will arrive. So here, the number of customer equal to 1 in 1 minute. So we just, it's also a plugin. So the probability of in 0 to 1 minutes and the customer number is equal to 1. So t equal to 1, k equal to 1, we just plug in. So e to power negative lambda times the lambda to power 1 and the 1 factor. So the result is lambda times e to power negative lambda. So basically, after calculation is 0.149. Yeah.